Hello together. In this video I will show you how to insert flow text or flow text which is above the document, and how to program it into to a glow text. So what we have here is a Word document, and inside the Word document you may be able to insert a new object which is called WordArt. And as soon as you click on there, you will get a default text. And when you're there, the system says, okay, format. And here in this format block, you're able to have a, let's say, a preview of this stuff, how it looks like. That's quite beautiful. And now when you're writing Word macros, then you may sooner or later be able to program that stuff. So programming in this stuff is when you type the Alt key and Alt 11, F11, Alt F11, then you come to the code, and I think most people know about this. Now when you're in the code, I want to show you there how the how those stuff like this one and this one is programmed. And first I show how it works. Set the glow, and yes, you see there the system runs above these objects, and it sets a glow on a line and a glow on this WordArt text. And how does this work? Inside the code we have here a loop upon all doc shapes, on all shapes on the current document. And then I say, okay, if the type is a line, MSO line, Microsoft object line, then you may say this this shape should have a glow. This one, glow and color. And then it's word color accent 5. This is like this one. When you're there, you see this index is the index of your current system, and of your color current. Let's see how it was it about your current layout. I've forgotten there. I don't know how to show it at the moment. Layout. No. Here, about your actual design. That's the one. If you change the design, also in the background, you see there in the background it changes the design. Okay, let's go on there. We have the object theme color. This is the action. Is the theme. Accent 5, so this is a little bit it's a default setup. And then I said, okay, this is the color of the glow, this is yellow, and the radius around 6 pixels, and transparency is 5 or 0.5, so it's 50% transparency. And then there's the arrow, end of the arrowhead is this one. If you have this one, you see form. We have here the end of a line. That's it's a triangle, and it's a big size, so this is this one. Arrowhead wide, long, and triangle. And then the same is for this one is a text box. Primarily it's a text box. You see those the big frame around, and inside the WordArt is this is the text range. That's the text box. So there's a MSO text box, and inside there's a text range, and this is the text frame, text range inside. And so because you're also able to take this one, only a glow, for example. And then you also have there, you may program there the font. That's the font, that stuff, because you may also change this one. You may say, okay, that's different, you see, like this. And you say, okay, the current font which is set there should be filled with a 4-color. This is red, RGB red, red, green, blue. This is 255 in red, no green, no blue. And then the same theme object or theme color. Then that's the glow color. That's yellow again, like this one. And then set ratio, transparency. And then what we also need there is a text shadow. That's what I did there. Excuse me. Text shadow is this one. Inside here, this selection, this base selection is a shadow. That's the reflection. Then it's a glow, and in this shadow you will find here that's the inner shadow. That's without the shadow, and that's within a shadow. So this lifts the text a little bit up. So and as soon as we run that, now when I take all that stuff back, and when we run it, all objects in your this one, all objects or all shape objects of your Word document will get the same layout. I hope I could help you at this point, and if you liked it, then give me a subscription or a like on this document.